Hi, welcome to my video about the sun, where I will discuss how it works and why it's important to life on Earth. In the video we watched, the first statement was that the sun is a star. And this is very important in regards to how the sun was created and how it functions today. Ancient astronomers actually thought that the sun was just a big ball of fire in the sky, like maybe wood burning or coal, but actually, the sun is not fire at all. It's not like fire we have on Earth. It would be more similar to glowing or burning embers. Except the sun continues to glow and shine because it has energy and heat coming from its core. So at the very inner layer of the sun is the core, and this is where nuclear fusion takes place. This isn't the same as nuclear energy we have on Earth, because nuclear energy on Earth occurs from nuclear fission, which is separating, splitting apart nuclei, and nuclear fusion is obviously combining them together. So this occurs under extremely high temperatures and a large amount of pressure, which is at the core of the sun. And the sun is essentially a giant ball of hydrogen gas, so big that 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside of it. In the video, they stated the fact that every second of every day, the sun converts 700 million tons of hydrogen gas into 695 million tons of helium. And these extra 5 million tons are converted into energy. So heat rises from the core into this convection zone, and it heats the photosphere. So the light that we see coming from the sun is actually shining through this photosphere as photons of light. And they can take up to 200,000 years to reach the Earth, which means that the light we see today was actually created in the sun when Homo sapiens first appeared on Earth. So that's just kind of hard to grasp, I think. The sun is actually so hot that it creates plasma. Plasma is just a big swirling mixture of hot gas. And in this plasma are charged particles that create magnetic fields. The sun is covered in like these rivers of plasma, and areas where the plasma has slightly cooled are called sunspots, and they appear a bit darker. Sunspots can also create these giant loops of magnetic fields, which are called prominences. So plasma can flow in these magnetic prominences, and they can get tangled up and actually break. And when one breaks, it emits millions of material into the universe, which is called a solar flare. And these solar flares can actually reach Earth and do a lot of damage. They can affect our satellites, they can cause blackouts, and if a solar flare were to affect us today, it could cause a worldwide blackout. So large solar flares are so dangerous and could have such a massive impact on Earth that they could wipe out Earth and life on Earth completely. Yet the sun is extremely important to life on Earth, regardless of its unpredictable flare-ups. The sun provides us with heat, both to keep us at a comfortable temperature so we can live, and to keep our water in a liquid form, which is essential to life, as we've learned previously. I think the sun is also important because it's needed for plants. Plants obviously use the sun's energy to create food, and plants are then food for other animals and us as humans. So the sun is a complex ball of gas that has the power to keep us alive, yet has the power to destroy us at the same time. Thanks for watching.